Rhino! Bruh, I think my dog had a fucking heat stroke, bruh. Bruh, your air conditioner was on, bro. Why did... Rhino! Why you not breathing, bro? Rhino! What the fuck, bro? How you gonna just die, bro? What the fuck, bro? I had this dog for so many years, bro. Rhino, please, bro. Please, Rhino. It's too fucking hot out here, bro. Rhino! For the God, bro. Why is this happening to me, bro? Why is this happening to me, bro? What happened, Champagne, bro? I just left, bro. I just freaking left. It's freaking... Bruh, they AC stay on. Why we... Bro, they always have food, water, air conditioning, everything, bruh. It's cold in here. Why would he come out here and just die, bro? Bro, I think he's sad because Royalty and them left, bruh. Rhino. Rhino, bruh. Bro, he is not breathing, bro. He's not even breathing, bro. What the fuck, bro?